Namaste, today let's explore the circumstances under which a wife becomes eligible for alimony under Hindu law. Understanding these nuances is crucial for fostering fairness in legal proceedings. Marriages can face challenges, and in certain situations, financial support becomes a vital aspect of ensuring justice. Let's uncover the circumstances when a wife may be eligible for alimony in Hindu law. Step 1. Maintenance Pendente Lite. Under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, a wife may be eligible for alimony during the pendency of the divorce proceedings. This temporary maintenance is granted to support her financial needs during the legal process. Step 2. Permanent alimony. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act provides for the granting of permanent alimony. This can be awarded as a lump sum or periodic payments, taking into consideration factors such as the wife's financial needs, the husband's financial capacity, and the standard of living during the marriage. Step 3. Adultery or cruelty. If the wife is forced to leave her marital home due to the husband's adultery or cruelty, she may be eligible for alimony under Section 25 subsection 2 of the Act. Step 4. Mutual consent divorce. In cases of mutual consent divorce under Section 13b, the court may decide on the terms of alimony based on the agreement between the parties. Empowerment lies in understanding your rights. Wives, if you find yourself facing these circumstances, seek legal advice and refer to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 for a comprehensive understanding. Until next time, empower yourselves with knowledge, seek justice, and navigate your path with strength.